Hi guys, today I'm going to be making tomato chutney. I'm not going to be canning this, I'm just going to put it in a clean sealed container in the refrigerator, and it's going to last about 5 to 6 days. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating up on medium heat in my pan, and I'm going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic to that, 2 shallot onions chopped them pretty fine. This is 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to stir this around and cook it for about 30 seconds, not very long. I have 5 large Roma tomatoes I've chopped, or you could use 8 small. I'm going to add that to it now. Half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Half a cup of red wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to stir that in really well. I'm going to turn the heat up, and when it starts to bubble, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. I want it to come to a rapid simmer. Okay, so I'm going to let this simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. I want the liquid to be reduced and to be kind of a jam-like texture. So I'm going to let this cool before I put it in a container, and this goes good on hot dogs, sandwiches, hamburgers, or whatever you'd like. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.